Hi everyone, welcome to Study with Akshay, and this is Akshay. In this video, we will take part with the bifurcation of syllabus for physics 10th ICSE with respect to the academic year 2021 and 22. So before going to that, as few of you had inquired me regarding the crash courses for the first semester examination, yes, the crash courses for first semester examination has been started at our centers. So as per your convenience, we can take the crash courses. As far as PCMB is concerned, physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics is concerned, we will be taking down in our centers. So for more details, you can contact using the contact number put on the description window. Yeah. So let's get started with the bifurcation of syllabus for physics 10th ICSE. So first semester examination and second semester examination. Both these first semester and second semester will be for 40 marks. Will be for 40 marks. Okay. So it goes like this. If we have put it in the bracket as complete unit, the chapters which comes under that unit completely, that means, so what are the chapters also, as in when we go to that particular unit, I will be saying we have unit number 1, that is force, work, power and energy. So this unit involves the chapter force, work, energy, power and machines, the first 3 chapters of our Selena textbook 10th ICSE. Okay, so this is with respect to the unit 1. Coming to unit 2, which comprises light, concepts of light, that is refraction of light at plane surfaces, refraction through a lens and spectrum. These 3 chapters comes under the unit of light. Okay, so totally 6 chapters. Along with that, we have sound, a small part of sound. Okay, that is reflection of sound waves, echoes, their uses, simple numerical problems on echoes. Okay, and along with this, we have a few extra information for you people in order to score more and more marks. These chapters, explanation and the videos will be put in the same YouTube channel, and the links will be shared while we are taking the revision session through the YouTube. Okay, so if that is not sufficient, that is enough for you to get maximum aspirants. If you want to score the highest, like it is for 40 marks, you want to score the complete 40 marks, do contact our centers. Okay, because we will be making you to solve more and more sample papers over there, and we will be giving some more tips. If in case I have missed any of the tips over here while giving, we will be giving it at our centers. So do contact them. Once you move over there, attend some classes, or you move for a first class and you attend that, it might be a demo class, you can attend for a demo class, and if you like, you can continue, else you can stop. Most of the cases, students are already joined for our crash courses. We will be doing repeated revision. We will make you to solve n number of question papers as well. So don't waste your time by sitting at home. Okay, we have online and offline media both for the students who are out of the states. Okay, for people who are in Singapore, Maharashtra, okay, and Dubai, few of the places, Thailand, where they will use ICSE syllabus, can contact our centers. I will be putting the contact number as soon as this video is done in the description window. Next, next semesters 2. Yeah, even this semester contains 40 marks. Okay, so each of the semesters. So why is the syllabus divided in forms of semesters? We don't know what might be the cases happening due to this pandemic. So what are the situations we will be facing later? So to be on the safer side, we will do semester exams, and if it is possible for us, we will go complete exam. Okay, so this is your semester exam and this is your board itself. The paper comes from the board itself. Okay, so unit 3, over here in the first semester we had done unit 3 only a little part, that is reflection of sound waves, echo, all those things. So here the rest remaining 2 parts are there. Sound chapter is divided basically into 3 different parts. So I will be doing for the date only till the first part of the sound chapter, so that while doing the revision session, while uploading the playlist and the revision session, it won't be a confusion for you to go through the other two links. Okay, once your first semester is done, then I will be uploading the videos of the other two parts over there, and I will make another revision session for your second semester also. Okay, these are our plans basically. So this is with sound: natural vibration, damped vibration, forced vibration, and resonance. A special case of forced vibration, which is introduced as resonance. We will look after this once we finish our first semester. As soon as the first semester is done, we will look after all these things. And then we have loudness, pitch, and quality of sound. Okay, this is our third part of the sound chapter. Next unit we have is electricity and magnetism. Here the chapters which comes under electricity and magnetism is current electricity, household circuits, electromagnetism. Okay, all the chapters will be done in depth over here. Okay, so all the three chapters will be done in depth over here. And while coming to the next unit, that is EAT, calorimetry is the only chapter under EAT. Okay, as per the syllabus of ICSE, calorimetry is the only chapter under EAT, and under modern physics as well, only radioactivity is the only unit under modern physics as well. Okay, so I will just brief out everything over here. So for the first semester examination, you will be having totally 3 plus 3 plus half chapter. Okay, like 6.5 chapter you will be having to study for your first semester examination. Okay, and then coming to the second semester examination, you will be having 5.5 chapter to study. Okay, so hope I am more specific and I am more clear with this video what and all you are supposed to study, and the key important points whichever I have taught in the previous chapters and whichever I will be teaching in the upcoming videos. Make down your running notes, and if you study so much, it would be more than sufficient as per me. And if you want to score the highest, contact details I have already told you, do contact. Okay, so if you have liked this video, please click on the thumbs up button. Do share this video, watch this video again and again. If you have any confusion with respect to syllabus which has been bifurcated into two parts. Okay, so yeah, all the very best for all of you. Stay home, stay safe, follow key COVID appropriate behavior. Thank you.